Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable Buy It Now price on eBay listing. If you're selling on eBay, giving buyers the option to purchase your item instantly can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. That's exactly what the Buy It Now feature does. It allows buyers to skip bidding and purchase your item immediately at a fixed price. The problem is, many sellers either don't know where to enable it or don't realize you can even combine it with auctions. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. Click on My eBay. This takes you to your dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Selling. This is where all your listings are managed. Go to Drafts or select an active listing. Click on the item you want to edit. Now scroll down until you find the pricing section. This is where you control how your item is sold. In the Format section, click on the drop-down. Select Buy It Now. Once selected, a price field will appear. Enter your desired price. Clarification: this is a fixed price, and buyers can purchase instantly without bidding. From the same Format drop-down, select Auction. Right below the auction settings, you'll see Buy It Now price. Enter your price there. Clarification: buyers can either bid or buy instantly, and if someone places a bid, the Buy It Now option may disappear. After setting your pricing, review your listing and click List Item. Your Buy It Now option is now active. Using eBay pricing options strategically helps you sell faster and smarter. To summarize, enabling Buy It Now on eBay involves going to your listing, navigating to the pricing section, selecting Buy It Now from the Format drop-down, and setting your price or combining it with an auction by adding a Buy It Now price below. This gives buyers the option to purchase instantly. And that's how to enable Buy It Now on your eBay listing. This is one of those small settings that can completely change how quickly your item sells. If you want speed and simplicity, go with Buy It Now. If you want flexibility and potentially higher prices, combine it with an auction. The key is understanding your item and your market. Don't just pick one randomly. As you gain more experience, you'll start choosing the right format based on strategy, not guesswork. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.